Now, I just want to state some other statements. I mean, first of all, engineers, we make decisions, we design what materials are we going to use, what process are we going to use, we design buildings, even we can influence policies. And also we manage the environmental information. So I'm trying to say, not politicians, not environmentalists, not biologists, not scientists. Engineers are responsible to make the thing happen, okay? Engineers changing their processes and materials can influence on carbon footprints and can change the processes. I'm not saying that it's easy because there are economical restrictions, but if we think in a gradual scale, we are easily moving from, for example, from fossil-based fuels to renewable energy fuels. Okay. Just talking this topic about energy. Any of you are familiar with hydrogen as a source of energy, especially mechanical engineers? Let's say, well, all of you are mechanical engineers. Maximilian, what experience do you have with hydrogen as a fuel?
I don't have many experience, but I've heard about it.
What have you heard about? What have you heard?
Well, I've actually heard that electrified cars probably aren't the best way to reduce the carbon footprint of cars, and that probably fuel cells are a better way. But I think it still needs a little bit of time for development.
What is the restriction to be using hydrogen?
I think it's pretty explosive and not easy to handle.
Okay, we don't want to go in detail on that, but yes, you are right. You can use hydrogen and oxygen through fuel cell and you generate electricity directly. This is one thing. The other thing is we can use hydrogen in internal combustion equipments. Actually, there are two big projects in Chile regarding hydrogen, especially in mining trucks and underground mining equipment. Both projects are Santa Maria professors involved. But the main problem with hydrogen, which is extremely clean, when you burn it either through a fuel cell or in a combustion machine, you generate water, no CO2. It's great. However, to manage that, you need to work at the pressure of 20 atmosphere, which is huge pressure. It's a lot of pressure. So in order to storage hydrogen, you need to use part of this energy. So it's no longer that efficient. So the key factor here will be to manage this fuel in the same infrastructure that we have already for oil. That will be the challenge. And I think since most of you are mechanical engineers, we will be talking about this issue with more detail, okay? I don't want to be extended here, but that is the type of thing that we will face. So as you can see, it's very technical stuff.